And we're back! Way too jazzed on this thing. No, not this thing. Way too jazzed on this. A box full of goodies. So stoked. But starting off with the usual, thank you guys for the support, comments, the likes. Just feeling all the love lately. Just been trying to step the quality of the content up, step the quality of basically everything we're doing up. Last night, welding all this stuff together, I found out I had a huge gas leak right there. And so I've just been wasting argon for Lord knows how long. Probably since I actually got that welder. Like I said, we went ahead and see if you want to focus. Went ahead and welded all this out. Hey, look, it actually tried to focus. They did not come out the prettiest, but it's not going off. Coming off, whatever. I'm tired. I had a long day and it's already like 6 and I'm just starting this. 6 p.m. I'm just starting this video, but I want to get this downpipe knocked out. We got the manifold already bolted on, reused the gasket and just copper gasket, sprayed it. Excuse me, I had my dinner. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. I'm not digging this. That's a terrible crush radius. Nice piece of Tycon heavy wall stainless. Go ahead and actually have a 3-inch piece there instead of whatever that is. And like I said, I got some more goodies. We got some vibrant stuff, some new V-band clamps. Now we got the gas fixed on the TIG welder. Just gonna jump right into this and get this cut up and get it welded out. So let's go. You ever just have one of those days? Yeah, I mean, I have nothing to say. I mean, I'm just not filming for crap. I'm knocking everything over. My hair looks like crap. I'm all sweaty. That makes everything better, but got a downpipe rigged up here. I have the clearance I want there. I can actually rotate the base of this because the V-band, which is rad. Gonna clock that up, which will give me a little more over there, but marked for the O2. Gonna weld the bung on, and then I'm gonna do the straight down and over. Grab my phone here because I was talking to my old man on the phone. So I found this leak in my the argon line on my TIG welder, and I just had to laugh at it with him. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this O2 bung on. Vibrant, they're the best. I actually got myself some extras just in case, and I have some legit hangers and stuff this time too, so obviously we can hang the exhaust all the way up. Online on Amazon it showed it was bellowed on the inside, and it's not. It's the stupid mesh on the inside, so that was essentially $13 of junk. Thankfully, even though this one's scraped up, the bellow isn't broken, so I'm gonna put the bellow roughly where their old flux core was, but I'm remaking all of it down past that, so we know none of that's gonna matter. Jump back into more cutting, more welding, more fun. So, see you guys in a second. I don't even know what to say. Look at that. I am getting my butt kicked today. I've slipped and fell. Can't even English right now, man. I've fell so many times. All of the... just so frustrated. Welding, have the piece secure. The table moves forward, bumps into the piece, dips my tungsten. How the heck? Go to cut, one cutoff wheel explodes. Go to cut, another cutoff wheel explodes. These are good cutoff wheels, guys. What's going on? It's just one of those cup of coffee after cup of coffee days. But I got something to show you here. Get out here, turn off the welder because, to be honest, I'm gonna call it a day. This thing's done. I need to weld one piece of the V-band to the bottom where it swept over to the actual tailpipe. But if you look down here, there is a flex pipe. It's actually sitting on the manifold, so I'm gonna go ahead and rig you guys up real fast while I put this V-band on and hang it. Check the floor clearance, and if it's good, calling it a day. Where are you guys? Hi guys. V-band. One piece. Spit everywhere. Oh, that's not easy to do. Got it. Haha. Success. Okay, come on, Big Daddy. Hey, that works. Okay, now I can get you guys in V-band. Oh, the turbo's loose too, but reach down here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that because I have the screen flipped, but it's not touching the column, which is all I care about. V-band lets it clear. That thing works there. Where's my O2? I always weld O2 sensor bungs with dead O2 sensors in them, and then put my good ones back in. So they go in by hand. But I'll put anti-seize on that, so just wanted to make sure it's not gonna touch anything. Cool, cool. That's not touching anything. It's a little close to that heater hose, but we might wrap that. We might not. Actually, I'll put some heat wrap on that. Looking down. Oh, it's not lower than the frame. Oh, thank you, God. So weld this up, weld the other piece back to the tailpipe once I attach the V-band to the stock exhaust. But I'm gonna lay here and die. The longest focus ever. Jeez. But welcome back, guys. Day 2. Getting Jimmy Oaks fixed and a little pin action. Get you guys out here and show you the snack that I built. So there we go. It's not the prettiest. I have definitely made prettier, but I'm happy we got a flex. It does what I want. That's ugly, but the V-band and everything fits. The O2 fits. Everything still fits. And everything sits the way I want it to. So now that we got it locked down, I say just get this all back together because I want to hear it, I want to drive it, I want to beat the crap out of it, and I also want to remount my seat because it's dark. I don't like how the seat makes my head touch the roof still. Remounted it twice already, so we're gonna go time 3 and get my ass on the floor this time. Jump in it. She has blue and purple hair. Ooh. Oh shit, hi. Okay. Car on the ground. Pile of parts and tools and everything there, as usual. Knocked the GoPro over and scuffed up the edge of the screen. Feel great about that. Thankfully, I have another tripod on the way because that sucks. I have fiberglass and just junk everywhere. I'm so itchy. I can't wait to take a shower, but everything is back together. Everything is tucked down. I tightened all these lines. Somehow this one collapsed slightly when I was tightening it and it twisted. Pretty weird. Gates back on. You're not gonna be able to see any of this, of course. Nothing's touching. New little wastegate dump because the old one had actually melted the tie rod boot, which I'll replace when I fix some rust holes on the floor tomorrow. Oh, the main thing that sucks. Let's move this so this doesn't rattle a bunch. My power steering has been leaking. I thought it was just boiling over the top, and it's actually this hose clamp on this fitting isn't secure enough. And since I'm gonna have to pull it apart to drain it, I might as well replace this one line and lengthen that one, and then put the reservoir on this side, because I've seen somebody else do that, and I actually kind of dig the look. Cleans all this up, makes it all pretty. But everything is back where it goes. Everything is tight. I want to start it. I want to hear it. Oh, that was my fender. I want to look under here. Oh, it's not touching anything on the ground. Oh, my power steering is probably going to be super loud, I'm guessing, because it doesn't have a lot of fluid in it. So this will probably be a quick, short end to the video here. Fuel, ECU. Oh, I'm genuinely nervous. Oh hey, I just found a vibration that I've always wondered. There's no grommets. Oh, and that's sheet metal screwed down. There's no grommets. Listen, vibration. No vibration. Oh, I can't wait to fix that. But I don't see anything leaking. No leaks. Woo! No leaks. My arms itch so bad. Definitely need power steering fluid because that was getting noisy real quick. But it works. No exhaust leaks. And I can end the video out there with a thank you to everybody who's been supporting all of the crap we've been doing lately. You guys are the best. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go take a shower, and then I'm gonna go show off my newborn son to my old lady side of the family. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow when we do some rust repair. Modify that seat so my head doesn't touch the roof anymore. And probably unbox some goodies that I got for the TIG welding stuff. But like I said, that's for tomorrow's video. Catch you guys next time. Average Joe's channel, out.